Severe thunderstorm warning, Mom! Hear that? That's my weather radio.
Sullivan has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for northwestern Waukesha County in
Waukesha County!
northeastern Jefferson County in southeastern
Oh,
Wisconsin,
shit!
southeastern Dodge County in southeastern Wisconsin until 7 p.m. At 5:59 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located near Johnson Creek,
Holy shit.
8 miles northeast of Jefferson, moving
Oh my
north at
God.
35 miles an hour.
Oh,
60 miles an hour wind gusts and half-dollar-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, hail damage to
fucking
vehicles
insane.
is expected. Expect wind
look at that, bro. Oh,
Watertown, Hartford,
Butler?
Hartford,
Shit!
Lebanon,
Reception.
Milwaukee, Neosho, Richwood,
Shit.
Mapleton, Summit, Hypersville, Monterey.
Like, the weather's raining from the
For
stroke.
your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building.
Oh,
A tornado watch remains in
Oh.
effect until 10 p.m. for southeastern Wisconsin. The Milwaukee